Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here with Jocelyn from ViewPro. First of all, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Absolutely. Now I see a wide array of cameras here that look very, very interesting. And I know there's a few that you want to talk about specifically, but before we get to that, can you tell me a little bit more about ViewPro and your company and the industries that you serve?
Okay, sure. Nice to meet you. It's great to be here to introduce our company. We are ViewPro from China, Shenzhen, and we make focusing the drone cameras since 2014.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and we have since many years developing and improvement. We have more than 80 models for different drones and different applications. With different specs. For example, the single EO sensor, the single IR sensor, also dual sensor and a triple sensor, and also latest with the AI functions. That's all generally about our cameras.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in terms of those AI functions, because that's maybe one of the most interesting things about your products, tell us a little bit about the AI and how that functions.
Okay, the AI function is developed by ourselves and by our company, and it basically it can detect the car and the human automatically, and use the AI function. We can check the car and the human automatically, and during the check-in, it can zoom and zoom out, zoom in and zoom out automatically to have more stable checking function.
Okay.
Yeah,
Excellent.
and also the AI is open source. We can customize the target, for example, the human or the boat, according to your requirement if you want.
Okay, and I'm glad you actually said that because I was going to ask my next question, which is compatibility. What types of drones are your cameras compatible with?
Our cameras are Marvelling compatible, so any drones open source, it can be compatible. And also we have integrated with some special non-open source drones also. Also, I want to mention is that we also a DJI PSDK developer. Yeah, so our cameras can be make the DJI version. You can plug on the DJI Matrix series directly and controlled by the DJI Pilot.
Very nice, very nice. Now I know that you wanted to talk specifically about the A30T R50. Tell us a little bit about what this camera can do.
Okay, this camera is the high-end spec camera with 30 times optical zoom. It's a Sony camera, and with 15 millimeters IR thermal camera and a 5 kilometer laser rangefinder. Yeah, and it also has the AI function. So this camera is very popular recently because of the high-end spec, also the very compatible, competitive cost.
Okay, excellent. Now I know that we have some smaller platform cameras here as well. Do you want to talk a little bit about these and what these are capable of?
Okay, these cameras are Hawkeye series micro cameras for the small drones. Yeah, and they mostly we have the EO only with laser rangefinder or dual sensor, or the triple dual EO and dual IR. So these cameras are for the small drones for surveillance.
Okay, understood. That's very neat. Now, if somebody, did you have one more you wanted to talk about? Okay.
I want to talk about the smallest, the triple sensor here with 10 times optical zoom also.
This one right here?
Yeah, with 10 times optical zoom and the AI function.
Okay.
That's the smallest triple sensor camera we have.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
Now, if somebody wanted to learn a little bit more about ViewPro, where could they go? Do you have a website, social media?
Yeah, we have our own website, viewprotech.com and viewprouav.com as the e-shop. You can get full information, and that's about our website. You can also check our newest information from the view link or Facebook.
Okay. Excellent. Well, hey, thank you so much, Jocelyn. It was so great meeting you. And make sure you check out ViewPro. It's an absolutely awesome company with a bunch of cool solutions. Definitely check them out. Thank you.